In today's video, I will walk you through how to pay Shopify Bill. To get started, head over to Shopify Admin Panel. If you're not already logged in, enter your login details and continue to your dashboard. Once you're inside your Shopify admin area, look toward the lower left corner of the screen and click on Settings. After opening Settings, find and select Billing. This section contains your billing details, payment methods, invoices, and other billing-related information for your store. Before paying any Shopify bill, make sure your payment method has been added correctly. Inside the billing section, locate the option that allows you to add a payment method. Click on it and choose the payment option you want to use for your Shopify account. You can select from several supported payment methods. If you're using a credit card or debit card, enter the required card information and follow the prompts to save it to your account. Shopify supports major payment cards, including Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Diner Club, and Discover. Co-branded debit cards with international capabilities can also be used. If you prefer, you can choose PayPal as your payment method instead. Select the PayPal option and follow the prompts to connect it to your Shopify account. Once your preferred payment method has been added successfully, it will be available for billing charges associated with your store. After setting up your payment method, return to the main billing page. This is where you'll be able to view your billing information and see details related to your account charges. On the billing page, you'll find information about upcoming bills as well as previous bills that have already been processed. Take a moment to review the details displayed on the screen. This area provides access to your billing history and allows you to keep track of charges associated with your Shopify store. You can also review past invoices directly from this section. If needed, there is an option to export your billing information. This can be useful if you want to save a copy of your billing records or review your transaction history outside of Shopify. Once your payment method is in place, Shopify will be able to process eligible billing charges using the payment method you selected. You can return to the billing section at any time to review invoices, update payment details, or check your billing history. And that's all there is to it. By accessing the billing section, adding a payment method, and reviewing your billing information, you can manage and pay your Shopify bills directly from your Shopify admin panel. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you successfully manage your Shopify billing settings.